Explain how to draw the intersection of two prisms. To draw the intersection of two prisms, we have to follow the following steps. Let's discuss each of these steps. In the first step, we identify the position of the given prisms. Consider a square prism of base S millimeters and height h millimeter resting on the HP. Now intersect this prism by another prism of the same dimension at 90 degrees. Let the axes of both the prisms be perpendicular to each other. In the second step, we draw the front view projections of the intersecting prism. So, on the reference line XY, let's draw a line A', C'
of length equal to the side of the square prism, and another line, say A', of length equal to the height of the square prism.
Now draw another rectangle, say 1', 1', 3', 3', to represent the other prism. Then draw the lines P1', P2', and P2', P3'. Similarly, draw the lines Q1', Q2', and Q2', Q3' to represent the hidden portion of the prism. And in the last step, we draw the top view projection from the front view projections. So, from the front view projections, drop the projectors downwards. Now, join the projectors to draw the top view projection. Therefore, we get the required projections of the intersecting prisms as